Nobody dies because of diabetes. The thing is, if diabetes is not controlled properly with measures such as diet, lifestyle changes, medication, and insulin injections, the patient has a significantly higher risk of developing complications related to diabetes. Here are the possible complications that can be caused due to badly controlled diabetes. Complications with the eye. These include problems like glaucoma, cataract, as well as diabetic retinopathy, among others. Complications with the feet. These include neuropathy, ulcers, and sometimes even gangrene, which could seriously damage the leg and in some cases even claim lives. These issues could happen in one foot or both the feet in case of diabetes. Complications with the skin. Diabetics are more susceptible to skin infections and other skin-related ailments. Complications with the heart. Ischemic heart disease is a condition which diabetics are prone to when the blood supply to the muscles of the heart is reduced. Diabetes also increases the chances of high blood pressure, which can take a toll on the heart. It also increases the chances of a stroke. Complications with the mind. Diabetes can also increase the chances of mental ailments, increasing the risk of depression and anxiety among other disorders related to the mind. Complications with the ears. Diabetics have a higher chance of losing their ability to hear and are prone to developing hearing problems. Complications with oral care. Diabetics stand a higher chance of developing gum diseases, which can lead to other problems like bad breath and weaker teeth. Complications with digestion. Diabetics have a higher chance of gastroparesis, in which the muscles of the stomach stop functioning normally. Complications with the kidneys. Diabetes can lead to nephropathy, which is an issue with the kidneys. Complications with the nervous system. Diabetic neuropathy is a type of nerve damage which can lead to several other problems in the body. Complications with sexual health. Diabetes can lead to erectile dysfunction in men and loss of libido in women. Complications with healing. Wounds, infections, cuts, and lesions take longer to heal with diabetics. They might also need special care after a surgery to make sure that the incisions heal faster. These are the most common complications that a diabetic might have to deal with. A combination of these is what usually ends up making the life of a person difficult and sometimes even fatal.